Several key decisions today ahead of the coming trial next spring for the 4 former Minneapolis police officers accused in the murder of George Floyd.
This is a trial that will have eyes on it from around the world. Our Uba Ali joins us in our studio to explain the latest developments on this. Uba?
Yeah, good evening, Tom and Caitlin. The latest rulings today really lay out how the trial will play out and what the public gets to see.
Judge Peter Cahill decided Thursday the cases against all 4 defendants would be combined into a single trial. The reasoning for that include the similarities of charges and evidence, as well as how conducting 4 separate trials would impact witnesses. Another key ruling, the trial is staying put in Minneapolis. Cahill said the safety concerns by the defendants do not warrant a change of venue, but rather better safety planning, and the Hennepin County Sheriff's Office is currently working on that. The last motion was in favor of the defendants and will allow the trial to be recorded, broadcasted, and live streamed. The court concluded video cameras in the courtroom would be the only way to conduct a public trial for the defendants and the media's constitutional right. There will be 3 cameras and a pool producer selected by the court to manage the feed. Attorney General Keith Ellison, who's leading the prosecution, reacted in a statement. "I'm satisfied by the court's decisions today. The murder of George Floyd occurred in Minneapolis. It is right the defendants should be tried in Minneapolis. It is also true that they acted in concert with each other and the evidence against them is similar. So it is right to try them in one trial." The rulings today represent another significant step forward in the pursuit of justice for George Floyd and for our community. Floyd family attorneys Benjamin Crump and Antonio Ramanucci also released the following statement. "The judge's decision to keep the trial in Minneapolis is the right one. We never see Black defendants get a change of venue to increase the fairness of their trials, and the white officers involved in the death of George Floyd should rightfully face a jury of their peers in the city where this tragedy took place."
Another consideration for allowing cameras in the courtroom was the ongoing pandemic, which would limit how many people could be in there in person. To also better accommodate the trial, the courtroom is being rebuilt in the Hennepin County Government Center. Proceedings are set to begin in March. Reporting live in the studio tonight, Uba Ali, KTTC News.